So I had a lot of water under my passenger side step. So I've taken it all out, had a look under there, and it was full of water, mud, rust, whatever else. So I've dried it all out, cleaned it all out, had a look at the driver's side, and the driver's side is just as bad. So I thought I'd film it just in case it helps anyone, opens your eyes a little bit to how bad they get, and this is what I'm going to do with it. It's all nice and clean and nice and dry, so I'm just gonna sand as much as I can back of the bad areas, glasses obviously, treat it with some Kurust or whatever you want to call it, and then spray over it. Now we know it's not going to fix the rust, but it'll prevent it or help it and let the water run away a bit more. Truly the only way to fix rust is by cutting it out and welding new, but it's a temporary thing. Kurust, whatever you want to call it. I'm not shy with it, I'll just pour it on and there you go. Once it's all dried, give it a good coat of primer. So it's had a couple of good coats of primer, and then once that's dry I'll give it a couple of top coats, and then the water should just run away. Like I said, it ain't going to fix the rust. I could have taken it back a little bit more and done a bit more with it, but as long as it gets me through the winter, I'll do a proper job in the summer. I just don't want water sat in there puddling away like it was. So now at least it gives it a chance to run away and not sit there just puddling away and rusting even more. Right, now that's all dry. Some spray. Get yourself a decent mask if you want it. So that should hold out now, at least through the winter. Water can run away nicely through there. We've got the drain hole there. Like we never touched it, eh? Thanks for watching.